In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Classroom notifications. Notifications play a crucial role in keeping us updated, but there are moments when they can become a bit too much, especially when you're trying to focus or unwind. Thankfully, Google Classroom allows you to tailor your notification settings, giving you control over what you receive and what you don't. Whether it's a late night assignment alert or a stream of class comments, turning them off can sometimes be a necessity, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can create an online learning environment that works best for you. First things first, let's head over to google.com. It's the gateway to all things Google and where our journey begins. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. This is your first step towards a more peaceful notification experience. Upon clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This should be the account associated with the Google Classroom you're looking to manage. Make your selection and proceed. The next step involves a bit of security, typing in your password. It's a quick measure to ensure that it's really you trying to make changes to your account. Once you've entered your password, go ahead and click on Next. We're moving along nicely. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into the Google Apps universe. Look for the Google Apps menu, which is typically found at the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a little grid of dots. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, locate and select Google Classroom. It's your gateway to managing your digital classroom environment. After clicking on Google Classroom, you're in your digital domain, but we're not stopping here. Next, head over to Settings. You might need to click around a bit to find this option, as layouts can change, but it's there waiting for you. Within Settings, you'll discover the Class Notifications option. This is where you wield your power over what notifications you receive. Click on it to access the specific notification settings for each of your classes. It's worth noting that Google Classroom is incredibly flexible, allowing you to customize notification settings at a very granular level. This means if there are certain classes that you need to stay updated on, you can leave those notifications on, while turning off others that you find less critical. Last but certainly not least, you'll want to turn off the notifications for specific classrooms. When you click into class notifications, you'll see a list of all your classes. Next to each class, there's an option to toggle notifications on or off. Here you can decide which class notifications you want to keep active and which ones you prefer to silence. It's all about creating a balance that suits your needs and enhances your learning experience without overwhelming you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a more serene Google Classroom experience, free from unwanted notifications. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to adjust your preferences as your needs change throughout the school year. Whether it's during exam season when you need minimal distractions, or the summer term when you're more relaxed about staying on top of every single update, Google Classroom's notification settings are there to be customized to fit your life. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in showing you how to manage your Google Classroom notifications effectively. Remember, technology is here to assist us, and with a few simple adjustments, we can ensure it does just that. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more focused and comfortable online learning experience.